Dog bites require immediate attention and proper care. Here are 14 home remedies to address minor bites effectively. From cleaning the wound to applying natural antibacterial agents, these remedies promote healing and prevent infection. Remember to seek medical attention for severe bites or signs of infection. Let's ensure the safety and well-being of both you and your furry friend. Join us as we explore holistic pet care and learn how to tend to dog bites with confidence. Stay prepared and informed for any situation involving your beloved canine companion. Here are 14 home remedies for dog bites. Number 1. Clean the wound. Thoroughly wash the wound with mild soap and water to remove any dirt, bacteria, or debris. Number 2. Apply pressure. If the wound is bleeding, apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth to control the bleeding. Number 3. Stop bleeding with ice. If the bleeding persists, apply an ice pack wrapped in a cloth to the wound to help constrict blood vessels and reduce bleeding. Number 4. Apply antiseptic. After cleaning the wound, apply an antiseptic solution like hydrogen peroxide or povidone iodine to help prevent infection. Number 5. Honey. Apply a thin layer of honey to the wound. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can aid in wound healing. Number 6. Aloe vera gel. Apply pure aloe vera gel to the wound to soothe inflammation and promote healing. Number 7. Turmeric paste. Make a paste using turmeric powder and water and apply it to the wound. Turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 8. Tea tree oil. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the wound. Tea tree oil has natural antibacterial properties. Number 9. Calendula ointment. Apply calendula ointment to the wound to promote healing and reduce inflammation. Number 10. Echinacea. Brew a strong echinacea tea and apply it to the wound as a wash or soak. Echinacea has antimicrobial properties. Number 11. Chamomile tea compress. Brew chamomile tea, let it cool, and apply it to the wound using a clean cloth as a compress. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties. Number 12. Saltwater rinse. Rinse the wound with a solution of salt and water to help prevent infection and promote healing. Number 13. Colloidal silver. Apply colloidal silver topically to the wound to help prevent infection and promote healing. Number 14. Elevation. Elevate the affected area if possible to reduce swelling and promote drainage. It's important to note that while these home remedies can help treat minor dog bites, it's crucial to seek medical attention for more severe bites or if there are signs of infection, such as redness, swelling, warmth, or pus. Additionally, always consult with a veterinarian if your dog has bitten someone or if you're unsure about the severity of the bite. Thank you for watching our guide on home remedies for dog bites. We hope you found these tips helpful in addressing minor injuries and promoting healing for your furry friend. Remember, your pet's safety is paramount, so always seek professional veterinary care for severe bites or signs of infection. For more pet care tips and helpful resources, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and keep your beloved pets happy and healthy. Take care.